My name is Tarek from Physics 101. Today I would like to explain a concept that many people misunderstand when it comes to solving problems. That concept says if a certain object is falling, the velocity of that object right before it reaches the ground, or like say the moment it reaches the ground, is not zero. How so? Aren't I stopping? Yes, you're stopping eventually, but you only stop because there's something stopping you, not because your final velocity was zero. Let me demonstrate. If I stand here, right, and someone comes and pushes me, let's say I fall on this chair, right here. The only reason I stopped is because the chair was right here. Say the chair was not here, where would I have gone? Wouldn't I have gone to the ground? Like say the same person comes and pushes me, I would have fallen to the ground. Think about it. If my final velocity was zero when I first reached the chair, then if the chair was not there, I would have still stopped at the same point where the chair was. Another example would be, think about an egg. If you drop an egg, everyone would say it's gonna crack when it first reaches the ground. That is true. But why does that happen? It's because the final velocity of the egg when it first reaches the ground is not zero. Remember that. It is not zero. It is never zero. Okay? If the final velocity was zero, then the egg wouldn't have cracked. It would just stop right there. So my final velocity is not zero when I'm falling. Okay? When I'm falling and I first reach something, right here at this point, my final velocity does not equal zero. What is the final velocity of Tariq the moment he reaches the ground if he starts from rest? After you do the calculations, you will find that the final velocity is 4.43 meters per second, which obviously does not equal zero. However, when can I say that my final velocity is zero? Well, simply, if you throw something upwards, then as we all know, as long as there is gravity, that object has to go back down, correct? Well, the moment or the instant that that object has to go back down, its velocity is zero.